share with you a very delicious and simple recipe. It's an Afghan dish, and the recipe is from my mom. It is a very a unique dish. It's called Haleem, and it's made of boneless lamb, boneless chicken, rice, wheat, and milk. And it is normally served hot with drizzles of olive oil and sprinkles of sugar. And you can always substitute sugar with honey if you prefer, and if you want to stay on the healthy side. This dish is very similar to oatmeal, and the look is very similar, and also the texture is very close to oatmeal. But trust me, the taste is 100 times better than oatmeal. So I'm very excited to share this delicious Afghan dish with you all today. Please don't go anywhere. I'll be back in a minute to share all my tips and tricks from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. it's time for a taste test, and I can't wait to taste this delicious Haleem. It smells awesome. I smell the cinnamon and cardamom. It looks really good. So let me just try a little bit. It is absolutely delicious. I love the texture, I love the taste, the cinnamon, the cardamom, olive oil. The combination of all these ingredients together make this a very perfect Haleem, a very delicious dish. I usually make a lot big batches of Haleem, and then I store most of it in the airtight containers, and place them in the freezer, and you can keep them in the freezer for up to 3 months. And when you serve this for breakfast the night before, you can take the container out, leave it on the countertop, room temperature, and let it defrost. And then in the morning, warm it up in the skillet, drizzle some olive oil on top of it, make it very hot, and sprinkle some sugar or honey. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This dish was very simple to make. I tried my best to make it very easy for you guys to follow. So if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions about this or any of my other recipes, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.